Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to explain if you can transfer your Uber Cash to your bank account again. And the thing about this is directly transferring Uber Cash to your bank account is generally not possible as it's designed for rides in Uber Eats. But if you personally purchase the Uber Cash, which is non-promotional, you may be able to refund it by contacting Uber support. So if you want to check if your refundable balance and contact support is available, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is, of course, open your app and then tap on the account option on the bottom right corner of the screen like so. Once you are here, you want to tap on wallet. Once you are here, tap on Uber Cash. And here, you'll generally be able to see the funds that you directly added via whether debit card, credit card, so on and so forth, and if they are eligible for potential refunds. After that, you go back to here and tap on help, and then just go to the section of the app to request a refund for the purchase Uber Cash balance, your original payment method. Now, like what I said, it's not necessarily 100% that you'll be able to refund these, but it's still worth a shot. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. 3, 2, 1. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.